Welcome back to Joyful Noiz by Kidz. Today we're making
sugar cookie.
So now we're going to make our cookie batter.
Let's get started. To make the dough, we're going to add 1.5 cup of white sugar and 1.5 cup of butter and a little bit of vanilla extract.
And we're going to have 3.5 cups of flour, 1 egg and 2 egg yolks.
So now we're going to add the ingredients. Now we're going to add sugar.
So now we're going to mix the sugar and the butter. Then we can go ahead and go with the stand mixer.
Now we will add the eggs.
Okay, next we're gonna add the vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it in.
Okay, now we're going to add the all-purpose flour. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, now we're gonna slowly mix it, and don't mix it too much. It won't be good for your cookie too. So now I'm done mixing it. It's all smooth and our cookie batter is done and ready.
This is our cookie dough. Now wrap your cookie dough in a plastic wrapper like this and chill it for 2 hours.
So after the 2 hours that we cooled it in the fridge, we're gonna have an ending result of this. It should be hardened and cold. Okay, now I'm going to roll it. We have a gingerbread man
And a little candy cane.
we have a mitten
And we have an ornament.
Christmas tree.
I'm playing the star. This is my star. That's candy cane.
For the oven temperature, we're going to put it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Now our cookies are done and they're out of the oven. Okay. Now it's time to
Decorate. We'll do multiple icing colors. Time to decorate. Happy Mrs. Boom.
making a snowman and it looks good.
I'm making a tree. These are our sugar cookies. Bye.
Today wait, I messed up.
Let's get started.
Who told you to say that?
Sugar cookie.
Okay, for sugar.
What was that?
Okay, for sugar.
It's not coming.
Yeah.
Okay, my military snowman penguin is done. Okay.
Holiday's coming. Holiday's coming. Holiday's coming. Holiday's